In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Payoneer account to your eBay seller account, ensuring a smooth payout process for your sales. This process is essential for sellers who want to seamlessly transfer their earnings from eBay to their Payoneer account, and I'm here to guide you through each step to make it as easy as possible. Let's get started. To begin, if you don't already have a Payoneer account, you'll need to visit Payoneer.com and proceed with the sign-up process. It's relatively straightforward, but remember to provide all necessary information and complete any verification steps that are prompted. These might include verifying your identity or supplying additional documentation, depending on your location and what information you initially provided. Once you've successfully activated your Payoneer account, you're ready to move on to the next step. Now, if you're not already logged in, head over to ebay.com and sign into your seller account. You'll want to be on the lookout for your profile icon, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will provide you with a drop-down menu where you'll select Account Settings. This is your hub for all things related to your eBay seller account, but today we're focusing specifically on payment settings. Once you've accessed the account settings page, navigate to Payments, also referred to as Payment Preferences in some settings. This is where all your payment methods are managed and updated. Look for an option to link or add a payment method. You'll find a list of available payment services from which you can choose. Here, you will want to select Payoneer. If Payoneer doesn't immediately appear as an available option, ensure that your eBay platform is up to date and that you're accessing the listings from the correct region, as availability can sometimes vary depending on these factors. Next, you will be redirected to the Payoneer login page. Here, you'll need to log in using your Payoneer credentials. This step is crucial as it authorizes eBay to establish a connection with your Payoneer account. Essentially, you are granting eBay permission to interact with Payoneer on your behalf concerning payouts. Finally, once you've successfully linked your Payoneer account, take a moment to verify that your newly linked account is indeed set as your primary payout method within eBay. It's always wise to double check that all details are correctly entered so you can avoid any potential payment mishaps down the line. An accurate connection will ensure that your hard-earned funds are consistently transferred from eBay to Payoneer without any hitches. And there you have it. A seamless process to integrate your Payoneer account with your eBay seller account. With these steps completed, you can rest easy knowing that your payments are in good hands, ready to be transferred effortlessly into your Payoneer account. Thank you for watching, and here's to successful selling.